Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Insert the extension tube into the base, then insert the footrest, followed by the gas lift with cover. Loosen the knob on the seat cushion, then insert the backrest into the slot. Firmly tighten the knob on the seat cushion. Next, we will attach the armrest. Repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.